of our adventure. And we woke up to snow this morning. It's probably like, I don't know what time it is, but this morning when I woke up at 7:30 a.m., everything was covered in snow. You couldn't see the road. It was covered in snow. They came and plowed everything. And now the snow is melting on the roads, but you can still see like the fresh snow. Fresh snow down here. So today we are scheduled to do a few things. We have a hot cocoa sleigh ride schedule. We may go do some tubing if it's not too cold. It's not that cold. I went to Walmart like this. I just got on. So it's not that cold, but we will see what the day has in store. If you guys want to come along with us, stay tuned. We have arrived to our first activity for the day, for the whole trip. I don't know if it's cold or not. When it's windy, it's cold. When it's not windy, it's cool. Yeah, so we're not waiting on Tasha and Marcus today. They are here. Shut up, forgot their blanket.
When it's cold, we left the house.
It's windy over here. Like that's a lake right there or something. They skiing on it. Or ice skating.
That's Lake Damion?
That's not a lake. That's like a football field. Alright. I don't know what they're gonna do. They left their blanket. Oh, I'll see. We're just waiting on our sleigh ride to pull up so we can go on our adventure. I'll put the name of the place we're at below. I don't remember right now. But if you guys do decide to come here one day, due to COVID, you cannot sit inside of their tent where they have seats because of COVID. So we're out here in the cold waiting for our sleigh. And then the sleigh gonna be cold. Isn't that wonderful? Who are you? You don't know who you are. Who are you?
No, I can't breathe with this thing.
I'm back here. Got him. Cat.
You missed, Marcus.
When we stop.
How much balls you trying to get?
Like a snowman? That's why she needed three.
Are here. The crew thinks they look like donkeys. Huh? Donkeys? We're gonna go touch one.
So it said don't pet those on number 7.
Don't pet number 7? Why?
I prefer not to be felt up to date.
Oh. Okay.
It's not worth it, Scout. It's fine.
Those guys are not our friends today, so we have to stay from them. What? You gotta take that thing out of his mouth. He told you.
Sorry.
He told you.
Yep, that's Lake Dillon behind us. It is still frozen, so it kind of just looks like a big open field at this point.
David. He's behind us. That's the one we took pictures with, ain't it? Yeah.
That bad boy right there.
The mountain?
I'm gonna tame that one there.
There you go.
Not this one, there's one beside it.
There you go.
The one more. Yeah, I see it.
On and over the night.
Chat tracks.
What? That sounds like a Marvel character. What you said? Alright, so we have a pit stop where they give us some hot cocoa. We're gonna go ahead and get ourselves a cup and then head back on the sleigh. Got your hot cocoa?
Schnapps.
She got her spiked hot cocoa.
I ain't mad at all.
I got my spiked hot cocoa. Let's see. Oh, I taste it. I taste the peppermint. I like a peppermint stick. The rain is gone. Yes. I can see all. Lost cause. It is snowing. Let it snow. What's that thing bigger than your face? Right. My glasses.
Yes, at this time of year. I'm glad you're out like us. We really don't like on vacation. And I'm like, oh, part of what you
It's snowing.
You're around.
All right, so our sleigh ride is done. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was fun.
It was a nice little. It's not too much like. Let me take this off. It's not like an activity where you're like moving all over the place, but it was nice to just sit around and drive through the woods.
Yeah.
And they gave us some spiked hot cocoa, as you guys saw us sipping on. So now Damon's gonna try to get some drone shots, and then we're gonna head back to the house, I think. I don't know. You guys will see what we do.
She videotaping? Shoot, she videotaping. It's your fault. You should have told me you were videotaping. I didn't know you were videotaping. I was just checking to see.
Probably left your camera in the trunk.
This is your videotape, man.
Find something to eat. We're gonna check out this place called 5th Avenue Grill and see what they have to offer. The food we had last night was nothing to record, so this place. Hopefully, they got some good food. I'm sitting out here trying to get some sun. Everyone else is in the restaurant ordering their food. We're doing takeout because apparently they don't have seats for 6 people. They have 2 and 4. But to make it 6, they'll have the ability to. So we're just gonna do takeout, head back to the house. But here's my view, guys. This is my view of the mountains. This is a town called, I think, Frisco Main Street. It's a cute little town. It's like one of those towns you would see on like those Hallmark movies, those Hallmark Christmas movies. That's what it reminds me of. Alright, so once the crew gets out of the restaurant, probably gonna walk on the street to get some Deserono. Shout out to Jeanette. And then get our food, head back to the house, and get warmed up. Take a look behind. Come around. Look at the chair.